Josh Huber is our engineer, here to look at the termite damage. Josh, explain to me what we can do. Can we put it back the way it was? The house was built in 1980, or do I have to bring it up to code? You're the be-all. Let me know.
Okay, so the code that governs this is the existing building code, and what it says is it classifies the type of work you're doing. This obviously is going to be a repair. And so when it describes a repair, it says there's a couple different avenues you might be able to go, you might be traveling down. One is if it's significant or substantial structural damage. And the criteria for that is and I'm pulling the numbers off the top of my head, so
sure.
I may be a little off on this, but it says if 30% of your gravity load carrying components have lost 20% of their strength. And all of this is quote unquote proven by an engineering analysis. So if this is the only wall that's been affected, there's less than 30% of the gravity load carrying components of your house that's been affected. So in that case, it would be less than substantial. If that's the case, then the building code says then you're allowed to put back what was there originally, or what met the building codes that were in existence at the time of the original construction.
Okay, so what if I told you we're on the second floor and the downstairs is just as bad?
We have to start estimating how much of the total structure has been damaged. If we've gone to substantial structural damage, then it says the repair has to be done in a way that supports the loads required by the current building code. Okay. It doesn't mean we're having to like demolish and rebuild. It just means we have to put back something that's stronger than what was there.
Just what we're working on. We don't have to go tear out sheetrock in other rooms. It's just what we're working on.
For something like this, yes. Now there's another caveat in the building code that says if it's done by wind, then there's additional things that have to be taken care of. These are termites. Termites aren't wind driven, so
right. They're moisture driven.
Right. So
and Florida driven for some reason. I don't know what it is about Florida.
It's all right though. Termites make me a lot of money.
Yeah. Yeah.
But so yeah, it really just depends on the line between substantial structural damage and less than substantial.
Cool. Awesome. Well, thanks for explaining it.
Yeah.
Guys, look us up on AddisonRiley.com. You can find us on Facebook. Thanks a lot.